Okay, Grant. Yeah, we had some problems, big time. Turns out that both of those motors broke. New old stock, and they broke. There's little tines in there that go on either side of the armature, and when I went in reverse, I caught them again and broke them, snapped them off. I got them both working and everything else, but I put a couple new IMP motors in instead. They were a little bit better made. And now here we go. Now this is what happens with this crazy switch. See? Lights are working, all that stuff. I don't know if you can see them. See, forward and back, I mean, you know, it's touchy, but it does work. The switch is fine. It was the motors. Both motors crapped out on you. That's why one, the lights went out and stuff. One, I couldn't figure it out until I looked at the motor inside, but that's what it was. And anyway, the switch, if it doesn't, it should work now. I ain't guaranteeing anything, because these motors may take a crap too, for all I know. I don't think they will, but you know, you know, I'm not guaranteeing anything anymore. I mean, it is what it is. So anyway, here, goes forward, and if it doesn't go, you push it a little bit that way. You just push it that way so it makes contacts. You can see the brass contacts down inside here. I don't know why it's so fussy. Goes forward again. Those motors are running. See, if it doesn't, just go back and forth with the switch. See what I do? See, you just push it forward a little bit, wiggle it, you know, it's just... This is why these boats weren't played with much, because they're fussy. But anyway, it's running now. It's fine. I'm going to box it up, send it back to you. Yeah, like I said, I wouldn't mess around with it anymore. Just take it with a grain of salt. It does work. Well, however long it lasts, I have no idea. Just remember, this toy is 60 years old now, and these motors were made probably right around 1950, being what they are. But anyway, you know, I can't put any more motors in this thing. I mean, I've already gone through 4. I mean, the 2 motors you had originally, the 2 I put in it, and then now these 2. So I'm running out of motors. So anyway, from all I can tell, this thing should be fine. Okay. So anyway, I'll send you this video, you know, let you know what's going on. And I put everything back together. I had to take the deck off and all that stuff and fix all that. I only nailed it down just because. Yeah, good thing I did. If I glued it down, we'd really have problems. So anyway, there you go. Anyway, when you get it, try it. Make sure they're good batteries. These batteries are already going dead. That's why it's a little sluggish. And if you run it for more than 2-3 minutes, the batteries will get hot, because it sucks a lot of amps out of these batteries. These motors take a lot of juice. If you only ran 1 motor, these lights would be real bright, but being there's 2 motors, they're not real bright. So put a fresh set of batteries in it, and you'll be all set. Anyway, Grant, there you go. Hope you like it, and give it a shot and let me know what happens when you get it at home. But, you know, like I said, it looks pretty sitting on a shelf anyway. So, anyway, thanks again. Bye.